Here's interesting app with over 130,000 reviews called Overstock, furniture and decor. So just tap get to install this app and just double click to install. And then, yeah, you will be able to install it. The Overstock app is making dream homes come true. Don't miss out on app exclusive deals for George's furniture and decor, all sent straight to your phone. You'll have the best deals, biggest discounts at your fingertips. And yeah, so if you in general like some brand and shop from there, definitely get the mobile app, because very often some brands, starting from like Burger King to Nike and whatever, they all offer some specific deals in discounts just only on your mobile app, which you won't be able to get even on the website or of course in the physical store. So yeah, just get the app for the brands which you kind of like and shop from, and you won't regret it. You will get some like sometimes pretty good discounts. So then yeah, here you can just create an account. If you want, you can just you can see already there is some kind of 15% coupon, and then there are like some deals for Memorial Day, daily deals, and then you can just browse through the app and shop for it. And yeah, if you're doing through this app, you can save some good money here. And then you can just, of course, you can, if you know this brand, you can just shop here. Then there are lists, then there are additional coupons, then there is your account. You can create an account, track your orders. There are some gift cards, and then just set up some alerts, also a cool feature in the app. And also just, if you already found out and tried some items in the physical store, just super easy to buy it from the app, and then you can just find all the items here. This is like the specifically for outdoor items. This yeah, you can just go and find it. The prices are just in Danish crowns. So you can see here, I don't know if there is a delivery here or it's only US brand, but yeah, something like that. So yeah, something like that. Hope you find this app useful, and thank you for watching.